Welcome to this Sales Funnels for Beginners Masterclass. My name is Leon Chaudhry, I'm the CEO of Course Factory, and I'm very excited to welcome you to this course. Now, what exactly are we going to do in this Sales Funnels for Beginners Masterclass? I will show you in this course step by step how to create highly converting sales funnels that 10x your business and that 10x your sales in only 1 year. So first of all, let us talk about sales funnels. What exactly is a sales funnel? How does it work? And what are the main stages of a sales funnel? Now, I think you probably have heard about sales funnels, and you might think right now, I want to create a sales funnel, but I just simply do not know how. Let me tell you that a sales funnel is not necessarily a could. It is not an option. It is a must. You need to have sales funnels in place in order to not just automate your business, but also just simply to drive more sales. Now, I started my business a long time ago, and at that time, there were no great software such as, for instance, ClickFunnels or Funnel Cockpit. At that time, you had to build everything yourself. But right now, there are amazing softwares in place that you can use in order to build your own sales funnel. So there is no reason why you should not have any sales funnels in place and why you should not have sales pages that sell your products. So what exactly is a sales funnel? Now, a sales funnel is a concept from consumer-focused marketing. So the consumer is in the middle. That is what we care for. We want to know what the customer wants from us, and we want to basically reverse engineer what a consumer is doing when he or she is online. So what exactly does, for instance, this person like about our sales page? Is it confusing to this person? Is it perhaps easy to use for this person? What are they looking for? Which kind of products are they interested in? And so on and so on. Here in this course, we're going to talk about creating a buyer persona, and I will show you step by step how to figure out who is interested in your product, who is not, and also how to reach the people that might be interested in buying your product. So basically, it's a consumer-focused marketing which illustrates the theoretical consumer journey towards the purchase of a product or a service. So it's all theory until someone buys. Remember that. It's all theory until someone buys, which basically means that if someone buys, we can take that knowledge and implement it into, let's say, the concept that we already have. So we want to become better with the time. So for me personally, it is impossible to create a sales funnel and it works for every single customer that I try to target. You need to figure out. You're probably not going to sell to 95% of all the people that you target. Nevertheless, these 5% that you're then going to target and these people that are interested, it's all about then making them buy. That is our goal. So why exactly should you even build a sales funnel? Well, first of all, you want to sell. You want to sell your products in, let's say, a beautiful fashion, but also you want to take advantage of the technology that is out there right now. We are in the 21st century. We're not selling products on the street. We're not screaming, come on, buy my product. We're doing that in a completely different way right now. We're selling online, which helps us to sell 24/7. We don't need our shop to be opened from 8 o'clock in the morning to, let's say, 8 in the evening. We can sell 24/7. Also, with sales funnels, we can spread brand awareness. For instance, a lot of people say, when you spend $1 and you get $1 back, is that a loss or is that a win? I personally would definitely agree with the people saying that is a win. Because even if you get $1 back from a dollar that you spend, you're still spreading brand awareness. People have heard of you, and that is also what we want. Now, at the same time, sales funnel is also an automation tool, or it could be an automation tool, which basically means that we are automizing our business. Our business is not necessarily us all the time putting in work. We're automating our process, which helps us to build a much bigger business and 10x our sales. So sales funnels are used in every sector of business to drive sales, to spread brand awareness, and to automate the sales process. Never forget that. These are the three things that sales funnels are all about. And again, don't forget, a sales funnel is not a could, it is a must. Think about it this way. When you're finishing this course, get started building your own sales funnel. There's no way around it, and believe me, it's gonna change your business. So how exactly does a sales funnel look like? Now, there are 5 stages to every kind of sales funnel. The first one is awareness, then opinion, then consideration, then preference, and then purchase. If your sales funnel is not consisting of these 5 steps, it is not a sales funnel. It's something, but it's not a sales funnel. Now, Now, of course, there are different kinds of models of how to structure your sales funnel. Awareness can be a lot of things. Opinion can be a lot of things. Consideration, preference, and purchase can be a lot of things. It doesn't necessarily have to be one thing. For instance, if I scream right now in this microphone, which I'm not going to do, don't worry, you're going to give me attention. You're going to listen to me. That is awareness. But also, for instance, if I don't say anything and go outside and have a huge poster that basically says something outrageous, people are going to look at me and they're going to give me their attention. So awareness is about attention. But what exactly are the other things about? What exactly is opinion about? What is consideration about? What is preference about? And what is purchase about? Now, awareness, first of all, again, is the customer is aware of the existence of a product or a service. So basically, he or she that you're targeting knows you offer this kind of product. For instance, you're offering this kind of software tool, you're offering this service, you're offering this kind of physical product even. And then afterwards, as soon as this person is aware of your product, comes the next stage, which is opinion. This person now actively is expressing an opinion in a product group, which basically means that he or she is putting your product in a group of products. For instance, when I go through the streets here in Berlin, in my hometown, I see a lot of shops. A lot of shops that are selling, for instance, kebab. They're selling different kinds of food products, and I look at them and I say, all right, this product costs $1.99, this product perhaps costs $2, but before I do all of that, I just simply say, all right, all of this is food. I'm hungry, I want to, for instance, purchase something to eat. So I put these products in a product group, which is food. But then afterwards, in number 3, I'm considering whether to buy or not to buy the product. And I listen to myself, I'm like, all right, I'm hungry, I want something to eat. I am considering to buy this product. And then number 4 is preference. Now I'm comparing. I say, all right, there is this shop over there, which is, for instance, offering this, let's say, this bread or this kebab or whatever for $1.99. And I look at it and I think, this is quite cheap, but is it also as good as the other one that is perhaps offering it for $2.99? Am I perhaps going to get sick because this one is of bad quality? So what I do is I compare. And then afterwards, what I try to do is I try to think about whether I should purchase this or not. So stage number 5 is the customer actually purchases the product. And now when we think about online sales funnels, this could, for instance, be that you have Facebook ad campaigns in place. This is number 1. So people are aware of a certain product. With this sales funnel, with this Facebook ad campaign, you bring people to a certain sales page, for instance, and then they're looking at it, they make an opinion about it, and they're like, okay, this is an info product. So they put that in their info product group in their mind. And then number 3 is consideration. So they're like, this sounds interesting. Maybe I should buy this. And then in basically phase number 4, they're like, all right, but how does that compare to other products? For instance, if I spend $100 online for this product that this person is pitching me right now, I could also spend that money, for instance, for groceries. I could spend that money for a nice massage. I could spend this money, for instance, for some technical device. I could spend it for 10 DVDs or whatever. So is it worth the money? So basically we have a ratio between money, so the price of it, and the actual quality. We are considering, we are comparing, we try to figure out whether this decision is my best personal possible decision. For instance, if I look at this product and it costs $100 and I'm like, I think that this is not the best product. I could get another product perhaps for the same price. I will probably not gonna buy this one. But if I'm sure that I like this product, that I want to buy it, and that it's better than every other offer that I've known of or that I'm aware of, I'm probably gonna buy it. And then I'm at step 5, which is the actual purchase. So basically, if sales funnel always consists of 5 different stages, which are awareness, opinion, consideration, preference, and purchase. So right, that was it now here for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we are gonna see each other in the next one.